Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that we do share this video. Guys, I'm sure by now you might have seen Ophelo Bala, who announced that he is officially 6 months sober. Ophelo Bala, as we all know, that he has been battling with alcohol and substance abuse for quite some time now. Ophelo Bala is a part of the hit Mzansi Magic reality TV show, The Bala Family, together with his two brothers, Uloyiso and Zwai, and of course her sister Upinki, who are very well known musicians. Now, Ophelo Bala has been very much humiliated and embarrassed. Um, by his alcohol abuse on national TV as the rest of South Africa are glued to the screen, seeing Upelo struggling with alcohol for quite some time. And now recently, Upelo Bala went onto his Instagram to post that not only is he 6 months sober, but he has denounced Ubungoma and now is a full-blown Christian. Pelobala was very much candid and vocal about his journey as a Sangoma, as we also saw on the reality show, that side of Ubungoma. Opelo says that, you know what, the demons have finally left me as I've found Christ who took me from alcoholism because I battled alcohol. He took me from that and he rewrote history for me. And Opelo is 6 months sober and he says that I am now a Christian. I have found God. He basically has denounced Ubungoma. You guys, take into his Instagram page to celebrate this milestone. He documented himself being born again, and this is what he posted. This is me, raw, real, and ready to take on the next chapter of my transformation. Today marks the beginning of my 30-day body transformation challenge. It is not just about physical change, but about embracing discipline, pushing limits, and honoring the body God has blessed me with. For me, this journey is a reflection of my commitment to health, wellness, and living with intention. It's about showing up for myself every day, knowing that growth happens when we step out of our comfort zone. If you're on a similar path, whether it's fitness, sobriety, faith, or self discovery, know that you're not alone. Let's walk this road together, one day at a time. Stay tuned for updates, progress, and lessons along the way. Let's inspire each other to be the best versions of ourselves. Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage it with me in the comments section down below.